All right, here we are, F major scale. This is a really important foundation video, so if you're new to scales, I encourage you to learn them because it will reach deep into your musicality and improve with whatever your goals are, from composing to playing, improvising, classics and whatnot. F major scale at the right hand is a bit different because we play F to F, but the fingering is different. Our four-finger ends on F. And for readers, the key signature looks like this. The sound quality, to have that major sound, we're going to include the B flat here, and that's our only flat. And remember, we can first start playing the scale in blocks, so I'll demonstrate. So the right hand, it's a block of 4. And then the one finger is on C. And you can see the pinky hanging out. So you want to just go back and forth and feel that. Some learners like to just break it up too. That is fine. So let's go ahead and play the scale. You can see the fingering on the screen. If you've been hanging out with me from the beginning of my channel with scales, one thing I always reiterate is that we don't want to stay too far back here, because then we're going to have to do some really awkward twisting, and we don't want that. The next thing when we're playing the scale, and I'll demonstrate a little slower, is I like to have my hands in the key, so it's really easy, and I'm thinking about floating above the keys in a way, and my goal is F. I'm thinking F. So here I go, and four-finger on B flat, thumb tucked C. And by the way, descending, some learners will probably play this, the third finger, it's an easier reach, but then you run out. So keep that in mind, four-finger on that B flat. Once you get the motion, think about what I've mentioned in other videos using arm weight and all that stuff. Let's look at left hand. Left hand, we are going to be thinking this for a block. Hey guys, so sorry to interrupt. If you're getting value out of this video, please hit the thumbs up button so it reaches other awesome people like you. Back to the lesson. This for a block. We have 5. And then we go over to 3, our third finger on D, E, F. Third finger on D, and then we just finish the block of 3, like that. So practice that. Let's try it, I'll go slow. And some extra tips, if you feel like you're knowing the scale well and you're moving, when you're descending, make sure your elbow is relaxed and you're not locking up. And if you find yourself flailing a bit, then you're going to want to slow down. I was working with a student earlier today and we're doing a lot of this kind of. So we want to just go back and work on some 5-finger position exercises, which I do have on the channel, you can check out. Go really slow and just take your time with it. If you learn slow, you'll learn correctly and you'll improve faster. So we're all waiting for the left hand. So we're all waiting for both hands, and the trick here is C's, because our thumbs are on C's. I'm just going to go and demonstrate, and then I'll talk through some stuff. So the good thing is we have the one fingers, the thumbs on C. So what I would suggest, play, right hand focus, see what I did there? And then reset, just practice that. Right hand focus, okay? And then when you get that, now it's left hand focus, 3 on the D. Let's go down. What happens now? See, left hand focus first, and then right, And it's fine if you're a brand new learner, definitely take your time and think about what's happening because your brain is building up the coordination. I'm going to demonstrate again without hesitating and a little slower. If you want to play with me, you can. Here I go. 3, 4, and. And once you feel like you got the notes, that's just part of it. Also think about other tips that we've been talking about, our hands in the keys enough, arm weight. Just pick a few goals at a time. And here is a quick demonstration on the side shot of what my hands are doing from looking this way and then that way. Here's another angle of my left hand ascending and descending, and you can observe to see that I bring my hands in a good amount so I can avoid any awkward twist or turns. Here's the right hand, side view going up and down.